Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this session, we are going to discuss about our positional stock option scanner and monthly update. So what are the changes we have to do and what files to upload for a monthly as well as in intraday. So before going to that, the month of May is already expired, and as per our positional concepts, so we are doing some strategical based strategy, and this Google sheet which help us to find or help us to figure out the trade opportunities based on the strategy. The first we'll explain you what the strategy we are doing on our course. Just simply we have two types of strategy. One is a non-directional, another one is a directional. So this particular scanner will help us to do our directional kind of strategy. It is not for a non-directional. But non-directional, we have a different method like IV, IVP concepts, and a monthly IV sheet is the one more key for non-directional strategy where we are going to use it. And that also we developed a web app, so where you can upload the required files and you will be getting the IV and IVP list for the month of June. So 29th, that means today's data which we are going to use for June series, and 29th May, that should be the date and the data where we are going to use to generate a monthly IV sheet, as well as even monthly positional trades also we can use the same date, the data. So don't confuse. And weekly also the same, because it's a Friday. Okay, so we do use the 29th for the next 1 week, and the intraday it's a daily based, and this monthly is the same 29th data. So next week only we can change the weekly data as per the date, so the Friday which is closing. So where the non-directional we are using 1.1 FO, SBB and OTM strategies which we are planning. But directional, where we simply find it out the directions, and this one where you can see this 2 days, I think from Wednesday, and yesterday is already, and today within 3 days. So we have some opportunities were triggered, but we already told you this is not for a positional basis, because last week of expiry we can't do any trade. And so same like the directional picks like 2.1, 3.2 or FO, SBB kind of strategy, or OTM or ATM, so kind of strategy which we can apply along with this particular scanner. So this is what a main logic which we are used on our strategy on directional and directional basis. Okay, this is for the expiry from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So only two working session. So we've seen some of the opportunity. The same would be the monthly, weekly also, because the same file, the expiry date file, which we are used for this particular 2 days, and intraday is a today's file. Again and again, you have a lot of questions about intraday. So how we designed the system, R4 breakout, both the sides, R4 Camarilla levels. So either the side, the stock which breaks the R4, because both the sides could not be possible, because it is an option. If a call increases, put decrease, and put increases, call decrease. So any one side only will be the breakout possibilities. So we are tracking all the F1 list comparing to the previous day close. By using previous day's close, we listed all the four options, and we finding out which is going to break the R4, either call side or a put side. So according to the market movement, any of the sides it is going to break. Okay, so 9:30. So for an example, if the 100 is breakout R4, okay, so if before 9:30 any stock which closes 100, that would be removed from the list. So better time to start this by after 9:30 or 9:30. Okay, so before 9:30, if maybe it is crossing the level or it is breaking the R4, that would be removed from the list by the tool itself. So better time, or better after 9:30, it would be the good result. So for an example, today a lot of stocks where it is showing in the top list. So I am showing you some one or two. So Infi 1150, whether it is which breaks the levels after or before. You can look at this is opened gap higher. Okay, it is opened by gap higher, and that is not about a valid trade opportunities. Okay, so I think we run this by after 9:30, so that is what it is showing you. LTIM 3950. Let me check. So we need to find one or two opportunity for intraday. So this is also gap higher. So let me check low the 9:30. So most of gap up, gap down. So this is what a first candle trigger. Even this is also we are ignoring because it is in the first candle itself it triggers the R4 and then it moves well. But sometimes it can be reversal also. That is why we are not adding this. Let me instead of that we will check it some other things. So Zydas like 1090. Let me check. This is also gap higher. EX 128. Because initially market slightly positive, after that it reversed back. So this is a valid breakout, but this breakout is happening by near about 230. Let me check in a put side like BDL 1260. This is not a valid one because today after running this after 9:30, that is why it is showing you some issue. Okay, so policy bazaar 1780. Put option. This is also gap higher. But if you run this scanner at a live market, so it will be filter out those stocks. NMDC 93. Yeah, this is a valid breakout. So first 15 minutes, third 15 minutes near about 9:45 to 10. So which gives you the breakout. After the breakout, it was keep on rising. So like that, we have to find the R4 breakout by using the scanner. So remaining monthly and weekly is purely based on the strategy which you are teaching on our course. If anyone who are really interested to learn about the course along with the scanner, so you can get lifetime access of the scanner and the course. So more detail you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown here, or you can comment on the comment box. You will be getting details about this. And one more thing, so monthly IV data. So those who are using monthly IV, we are not updating here. So last November itself we stopped, but we developed a tool. So by using the tool, you can develop this monthly IV sheet. For to generate a monthly IV sheet for the month of June, you can use today's data. So maybe after 8:30 it will be updated on NSE website. So you can use this data along with the iCharts OI summary. So you combine this data with the tool and it will be delivering you what are the high IV stocks, IVP, IVR. So every data you will be getting by using the data by today's BOW copy or today's NSE FO stocks data. And by using that, you can generate a June month data also. Maybe tomorrow I can make a video about that also. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you have any questions or a doubt, just ping me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.